having fun. So let's do it.
Yes, we in SM Clark right now and meet with my friend. But he forgot face mask in the home. That's why we meet in the gate and I give to another have face mask in my bag. So many people now in the SM Clark. Face mask. Forgot face mask. Good afternoon. No, I already like this. You forgot face mask? Yes, it's up. Not good if use face mask inside, yes?
No, I never use the mask like this.
You need to buy face mask and put in the any clothes.
It's cheapest already. It's 100 pieces. $20. I always buy like this, right? So many. For
Yeah.
like 3 pesos.
Yeah, and different color also. Excuse me, this is katsudon is not spicy, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Shaira, we can eat here, yes? Udon tempura, Japanese restaurant. We can try here. We never tried. We not know what is good or not. We don't have space. Cannot sit here.
What you want? What you done?
Yes. Shaira, this one. Katsudon.
I
Cut.
want the big one.
You want the beef? Okay. Yes, we cannot sit here.
Ilan lang to? May ilan lang to? Ay, no, hindi lang for
No, also outside. This is for 3 persons, okay? Nice.
So you gotta sit there.
I don't know. Where you want?
No, it's okay. What name?
It's beef.
This mask remove.
So I bought some beef kinidon. I don't know how to say. Kai kinidon. It's Japanese food with beef.
Shaira, remove face mask. You say good? What you think? Is good restaurant, yes?
Good restaurant also here. I like.
Okay. Chelsea Auction is new place here in SM Clark. My friend said it's shop now bigger than before. Before this shop is another place and small a little bit, but now it's already big.
You know, all Filipino what is this?
Good.
They want
Multi
20
with vitamins, so many vitamins.
You need some vitamins also.
What is this? New West. Chlorophyll. No. This is bowling. Oh, billiards also fair. How much? I remember we been here maybe 5 years ago, yes?
Yes, 5 years.
About 5 years ago. Yes, we're now in bowling right now. So many people now, yes?
Yes.
What you want drink?
Coffee jelly. Hi guys, we already finished go to Exemplar, so we just eat only in Japanese restaurant, and right now we go home. Let's go. And also thank you for watching. Salamat.